Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the 5 best thermal label printers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Brady BMP21PL-USKIT1 Printer Kit. This is the best and most versatile label maker I've ever worked with. The nylon cloth tape sticks to just about anything. Absolutely great for labeling wires and cables, breaker boxes or whatever you wanna stick a label on. This kit is a great starter kit. 2 minor complaints. 1. The rechargeable battery must be directly connected to the charger. Just plugging the charger into the machine will not charge the battery. 2. The keyboard would be easier to operate if it were a standard QWERTY layout instead of in alphabetical order. Overall a great label machine. I use mine all the time. At number 4, Zebra Thermal Desktop Printer. This thermal transfer desktop printer prints a 5-inch label within a second at 203 dpi. You can also use this printing device to print receipts, labels, tags, wristbands and barcodes. Moreover, the device supports both USB and Ethernet port connectivity. The RHINO, you can print labels from different sources. This printer comes with a monochromatic printing output. The device can print a label with a maximum width of 4 inch. Furthermore, the minimalist design of this unit consumes lesser space on your desktop, so you can use this device at any commercial or industrial workspace. This device works with both Windows and Mac operating systems, therefore you can customize the labels and print them via this printer accordingly. At number 3, Sanford Brand's 1,756,589 RHINO 5200 Label Printer Kit. Versatile and packed with time-saving features. The Dymo RHINO Pro 5200 industrial label maker meets key ANSI and TIA, EIA 606A labeling standards, and labels up to 77% faster than the competition. Just press a proprietary RHINO hotkey to automatically size, space and format text for perfect patch panel labels, then press another to print matching cable flags or faceplate tabs without retyping. It's just as easy to print module and fixed length labels, horizontal and vertical wire wraps, terminal and 110 blocks and much more. Print code 39 and code 128 barcodes. Access 100 plus industry symbols, fraction sand, punctuation marks with a few quick keystrokes. Add the optional quick charging lithium-ion battery for uninterrupted productivity. This cost-saving bundle includes a durable carrying case and 2 rolls of vinyl labels, 3/4 and amp 3/8 black on white. At number 2, YIOVVOM DB9 Breakout Connector to Wiring Terminal. This little piece of a simple tech is a must for every network engineer out there. In seconds I could re-pin an Ethernet patch cable to use for a Sienna console cable, then redo it for whatever else. Get one to keep in your EDC kit and buy a few for friends for Christmas. I mean, if they're nerds too. Building a programming cable for a scanner programmer and needed a way to change configuration until it programmed the scanner correctly and didn't want to keep soldering and unsoldering connections. This setup worked great. Not that much larger than a standard DB25 and still fit the connector on the laptop and scanner will buy more as needed. The screws to secure the cable into the connector were a little rusted, very hard to screw, and mine did not come with a long screw to secure into DB9 female plug. A different adapter from a different seller at the same price worked well for me. Would not buy this again. Finally, at number 1, Brother VC500W Versatile Compact Color Label. The Brother VC500W color label and photo printer with wireless networking features, Zinc Zero ink technology that lets you easily print amazing full-color labels, photos, stickers and more up to 17 inches long without the need for ink ribbon or toner. All colors needed for high-quality color printing are embedded in the zinc paper, which is water-tear and smudge-resistant with adhesive backing. Have fun decorating, personalizing, organizing and creating gifts, gift wraps and tags, greeting cards and invitations, jewelry, photo projects, scrapbooking, home decor items, party favors, stickers and more. Use the P-Touch editor software to print a wide variety of professional-looking labels from your Windows or Mac computer to easily tackle a myriad of office and organizational tasks, business projects, address labels, and more. With the Brother VC500W, the possibilities are endless. Wi-Fi wireless direct offers easy connectivity so you can print from virtually anywhere or share on a network. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.